How to fix the YouTube's something went wrong problem on iPhone or on Android. It is basically the same method. So today in this video I'll show you exactly how to do that. Just follow up with me. First, turn on the airplane mode for some seconds and then turn it off. Right after that, go to your settings, go to your Wi-Fi settings, and then make sure you are connected to your Wi-Fi network. If you want to use your mobile data, follow up with me. Tap right here and then tap on your mobile provider. Tap on preferred networks and make sure you're connected to the prefer LTE. Make sure that is done from your iPhone as well. Once you do that, the next step is to go to your app settings of YouTube and then clear cache right here. Tap on clear cache. And this takes us to the last step. You have to go to your Play Store or App Store if you're on an iPhone and update the YouTube app to the latest version. And just like that, the problem should be solved and you shouldn't find that something went wrong message again. And that is it for this video, guys. I hope it was useful. If it was, please like and comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe for future videos like this one. And thank you very much for watching.